Double iteration in list comprehension. In Python you can have multiple iterators in a list comprehension, like for some suitable sequences A and B. I'm aware of the nested loop semantics of Python's list comprehensions. My question is, can one iterator in the comprehension refer to the other? In other words, could I have something like this, where the current value of the outer loop is the iterator of the inner? As an example, if I have a nested list, what would the list comprehension expression be to achieve this result? Please only list comprehension answers, since this is what I want to find out.
Gee, I guess I found the answer. I was not taking care enough about which loop is inner and which is outer. The list comprehension should be like, to get the desired result, and yes, one current value can be the iterator for the next loop.
Suppose you have a text full of sentences and you want an array of words. I like to think of list comprehension as stretching code horizontally. Try breaking it up into example. This also works for generators.
To answer your question with your own suggestion, while you ask for list comprehension answers, let me also point out the excellent itertools.chain.
Order of iterators may seem counterintuitive. Take for example, strx for I in range 3 for x in foo I. Let's decompose it.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.